The median sales price in the Baltimore metro area is up 17.1% over last year and marked a 10-year high with the fourth straight month of double-digit percentage gains. November also marked a near record month in closing volume, and sales of attached homes was at an all-time high. It's Friday, December 18th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Days on the market fell to 8 days for a second month in a row as the number of sold listings came off the market in 10 days or less. New inventory in November was up 6.2% year over year, while homes going under contract was up 24%. Anne Arundel County posted a November best in sales, up 53.0% from last year, with home prices in Glen Burnie surging up 21.8% to $335,000. Prince George's County had another 10-year best in November, with Upper Marlboro sales prices up 26.6%, breaking the $400,000 sales price barrier for the first time. Bowie townhome sales improved by 88.9%. Howard County prices are up 17.9%, hitting a 10-year overall high sales price of $477,500. Harford County realized an 11.4% gain in townhome sales prices overall. Montgomery County attached home sales prices hit a 10-year high of $352,000, a 6.7% increase, with Gaithersburg attached homes boasting a record median sales price of $370,000, a 9.5% price increase. Queen Anne's County sales prices are up 14.5% since last year to $435,000. Chester, Graysonville, Queenstown, and Churchill all saw big gains in sales price of more than 20%. Talbot County sales prices are also up 10.3% from last year to $379,000. Bozeman, Oxford, Royal Oak, Queen Anne's, Nevis, Whitman are all posting over 20% gains in their sales price since last year. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 18th. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 if I can answer any questions regarding the market or your specific circumstances. Also, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to one of our podcasts. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Enjoy your weekend and have a beautiful holiday season. Stay safe.